What's up, y'all? It's Jonah here with the Heli Guys again, and this isn't exactly the video that I wanted to post this week, but I figured it might be a good idea to share my experience with you guys, so here we go. You may have already noticed that this particular helicopter doesn't have blades on it, and I'm about to show you why. So this past weekend, my dad threw a little cookout barbecue kind of thing, and I took my helicopter over there and we wanted to do a little flying, so eventually he wanted to give it a shot, so I decided to let him try it out since he had played the sim before, but he ended up noping out of it, and that'll be in the video too. But anyways, so you'll see that. Now this isn't so much of a super fun kind of video. This is more of an abrupt reminder that these helicopters are not toys. They are in fact machines, and they can be very, very dangerous if misused and not keep up on the maintenance on them, just like I should have. Anyways, we'll just go ahead and throw you right in.
This guy, he decided he was going to start flying without me. So much for communication, huh? Huh?
What?
Said you started flying without me.
Oh, I'm just giving it a hover test.
Where's the communication?
Just giving it a hover test.
All right, well, proceed. Good sir.
I'm actually kind of curious if this thing's got soft start.
You gonna bump her up into
Yeah.
F1 and just drop the throttle?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Hey, nice. All right, I'm gonna get over here in the shade. Yeah, I did.
Well, that's different. The hell happened? Yeah, one of them's over there in the road, the other one's right over here somewhere.
What the hell?
Sounded like a little tire blew. Yeah, that was different, wasn't it?
Huh?
Oh, here it is.
Did you not Loctite the spindle shaft?
No, I locked on everything. Yeah, this one. This other one's over here in the road. Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, I thought it landed over here.
Ah, this one's got the spindle shaft on it.
Well, I guess I didn't Loctite it good enough, did I? I'll fly it now.
Neat.
What the hell? Did you just shit them off?
Yeah.
Well, the screw's in there. You can see the screw in there still. It just sheared them off?
Just spit them out.
Yeah. I don't know if it tore the threads out of this thing or what. That was different. That's the first time for that one.
It's funny, they both went at the same time.
Yeah.
Like, foop, because that fucker never moved.
No.
Kerpow.
It was like the same time, exactly.
Dude, that's its own fucking video in itself.
Right? Dude, that's wild. Never had that happen before. I've had the paint come off of Woody blades, but
Yeah.
I mean, both of these blades are fine despite being flung off of it.
At Mock Jesus.
Yeah.
And Nobody's bleeding, so
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's a win.
That
definite
was
win.
wild,
I-
man. I wonder if the dampeners are still in the head. Oh yeah.
so we got,
Oh, I'm missing the links. The links are gone, but we got extras.
So, all right, Jonah, explain yourself. What happened?
Explain myself. I own a blade helicopter.
You gotta lay it out. What happened? What failed?
Well, it's a blade helicopter.
and I think we're
helicopters
guessing that the feathering shaft bolt probably
Yeah, it's probably in there loose or something.
gave up the ghost and lost threads.
Oh, I'll have to pull that screw out and see if there's any threads left in this freaking spindle.
Let's check out that spindle really fast. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's a good zoom.
You see any threads in there?
I can't tell from here, but yeah,
Yeah, that was different.
yeah, that was definitely different.
It sounded like a balloon kind of popped. Or something.
Yeah.
Just a kind of low little, like a,
Huh.
a balloon that's not.
All right, guys, that is why you constantly nut and bolt your helicopters.
Yeah.
You check them periodically, every so many flights, especially when you start flying them as hard as Jonah does.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you may experience something like this.
Yeah, that was crazy. I never had that happen before.
So, neat. Cool. I'm glad we got it on video.
I'm glad it didn't hurt us or break.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get impaled by a mini machete.
Yeah, considering how far they went that fast. I mean, that was
Yeah, that was...
a snap of a finger, man. That could have been really bad.
Yeah. Well, cool.
That was wild as hell. I'm just glad it didn't hurt no one.
Be advised, these things are dangerous.
Yeah.
And we play with our safety every time we take them out. Not to be taken lightly. I mean, aside all the laughing and what have you, we're just glad nobody got hurt.
Yeah, for real.
All right, till next time. Peace.
Well, and there you have it. So yeah, I guess I must not have used enough Loctite, or maybe it ripped the threads out. I still haven't dove right into it quite yet, but we'll have to find out here pretty quick what exactly happened. But yeah, I was just testing out the soft start on it and gonna fly around the cul-de-sac a little bit, and the blades just came off. And I'm really glad that they both shot off in an outward direction away from me and Daniel and my dad, because that could have been a pretty dangerous situation otherwise. But anyways, yeah, definitely, if you haven't checked your machine in a little while, before you go fly it again, take it apart and just put it back together, just for that peace of mind that I didn't have. But anyways, yeah, that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's keep this hobby alive.
Recording, do something cool. Oh. Selecting model.
Interesting stuff. Is this camera worthy? Is it camera worthy?
Sure, why not?
Will my footage make it into your YouTube video?